हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं टिश्यूज़ के टॉप एमसीक्यूज़। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज़ के पीडीएफ का लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने लेक्चर अच्छे से कर रखा है तो आप लोग जाके डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टिश्यूज़ हैज़ डेड सेल्स? ऑप्शन ए पेरेन्काइमा, ऑप्शन बी स्क्लेरेन्काइमा, ऑप्शन सी कोलेन्काइमा, ऑप्शन डी epithelial tissue, and the correct answer is sclerenchyma. Next question comes here. Growth of stem increases due to option A apical meristem, option B lateral meristem, option C intercalary meristem, option D vertical meristem, and the correct answer is lateral meristem. Next question comes here. Which cell does not have perforated cell wall? Option A tracheids, option B companion cells, option C CV tubes, option D vessels, and the correct answer is companion cells. Next question comes here. Intestine absorbs the digested food materials. What type of epithelial cells are responsible for that? Option A stratified squamous epithelium, option B columnar epithelium, option C spindle fibers, option D cuboidal epithelium, and the correct answer is columnar epithelium. Next question comes here. A person met with an accident in which two long bones of the hand were dislocated. Which among the following may be the possible reason? Option A tendon break, option B break of skeletal muscle, option C ligament break, option D areolar tissue break, and the correct answer is ligament break. Next question comes here. Which muscles act involuntarily? Option A striated muscles, option B smooth muscles, option C cardiac muscles, option D both B and C, and the correct answer is both B and C. Next question comes here. Meristematic tissues in plants are option A localized and permanent, option B not limited to certain regions, option C localized and dividing cells, option D growing in volume, and the correct answer is localized and dividing cells. Next question comes here. Which is not a function of epidermis? Option A protection from adverse condition, option B gaseous exchange, option C conduction of water, option D transpiration, and the correct answer is conduction of water. Next question comes here. Cartilage is not found in option A nose, option B ear, option C kidney, option D larynx, and the correct answer is kidney. Next question comes here. Fats are stored in human body as option A cuboidal epithelium, option B adipose tissue, option C bones, option D cartilage, and the correct answer is adipose tissue. Next question comes here. Bone matrix is rich in option A fluoride and calcium, option B calcium and phosphorus, option C calcium and potassium, option D phosphorus and potassium, and the correct answer is calcium and phosphorus. Next question comes here. Contractile proteins are found in option A bones, option B blood, option C muscles, option D cartilage, and the correct answer is muscles. Next question comes here. Voluntary muscles are found in option A alimentary canal, option B limb, option C iris of the eye, option D bronchi of lungs, and the correct answer is limb. Next question comes here. Nervous tissue is not found in option A brain, option B spinal cord, option C tendons, option D nerves, and the correct answer is tendons. Next question comes here. Nerve cell does not contain option A axon, option B nerve endings, option C tendons, option D dendrites, and the correct answer is tendons. Next question comes here. Which of the following help in repair of tissues and fills up the space inside the organ? Option A tendon, option B adipose tissue, option C areolar, option D cartilage, and the correct answer is areolar. Next question comes here. Muscular tissue which function throughout life continuously without fatigue is option A skeletal muscle, option B cardiac muscle, option C smooth muscle, Option D, voluntary muscle. And the correct answer is cardiac muscle. Next question comes here. Which of the following cells is found in the cartilaginous tissue of the body? Option A, mast cells. Option C, basophils. Option C, osteocytes. Option D, chondrocytes. And the correct answer is chondrocytes. Next question comes here. The dead element present in phloem is option A, companion cells. Option B, phloem fibers. Option C, phloem parenchyma. Option D, CV tubes. And the correct answer is phloem fibers. Next question comes here. Which of the following does not lose their nucleus at maturity? Option A, companion cells. Option B, red blood cells. Option C, vessel. Option D, CV tube cells. And the correct answer is companion cells. Next question comes here. In desert plants, rate of water loss gets reduced due to the presence of option A, cuticle. Option B, stomata. Option C, lignin. Option D, suberin. And the correct answer is cuticle. Next question comes here. A long tree has several branches. The tissue that helps in sideways conduction of water in branches is option A, collenchyma. Option B, xylem parenchyma. Option C, parenchyma. Option D, xylem vessels. And the correct answer is xylem vessels. Next question comes here. If the tip of sugar cane plant is removed from the field, even then it keeps on growing in length. It's due to the presence of option A, cambium. Option B, apical meristem. Option C, lateral meristem. Option D, intercalary meristem. And the correct answer is intercalary meristem. Next question comes here. A nail is inserted in the trunk of a tree at a height of 1 meter from the ground level. After 3 years, the nail will option A, move downward. Option B, move upward. Option C, remain at same position. Option D, move sidewise. And the correct answer is remains at the same position. Next question comes here. Parenchyma cells are option A, relatively unspecified and thin-walled. Option B, thick-walled and specialized. Option C, lignified. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is relatively unspecified and thin-walled. Next question comes here. Flexibility in plants is due to option A, collenchyma. Option B, sclerenchyma. Option C, parenchyma. Option D, chlorenchyma. And the correct answer is collenchyma. Next question comes here. Cork cells are made impervious to water and gases by presence of option A, cellulose. Option B, lipids. Option C, suberin. Option D, lignin. And the correct answer is suberin. Next question comes here. Survival of plants in terrestrial environment has been made possible by the presence of option A, intercalary meristem. Option B, conducting tissue. Option C, apical meristem. Option D, parenchymatous tissue. And the correct answer is conducting tissue. Next question comes here. The water conducting tissue generally present in gymnosperm is option A, vessels. Option B, CV tubes. Option C, tracheids. Option D, xylem fibers. And the correct answer is tracheids. Next question comes here. Write the characteristic feature of nerve cells after viewing it under the microscope. Option A, cell body with branched cytoplasmic extensions at one end and a long projections at the other end. Option B, oval cells with lobed nucleus. Option C, loosely packed cells with floating in matrix. Option D, spindle shaped cells with bands. And the correct answer is a cell body with branched cytoplasmic extensions at one end and a long projection at the other end. Next question comes here. Which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of parenchyma tissue? Option A, cells are thin-walled. Option B, cells are thick at the corners. Option C, large single vacuole is present in each cell. Option D, large cells are placed together with intercellular spaces. And the correct answer is cells are thick at corners. Next question comes here. The shape of striated muscles is option A, cylindrical. Option B, spindle shaped. Option C, elongated with tapering ends. Option D, spherical. and the correct answer is cylindrical. Next question comes here. Characteristic feature of sclerenchyma is option A living cells with highly thickened walls, option B living cells with thin walls, option C dead cells with thin walls, option D dead cells with thickened walls. And the correct answer is living cells with highly thickened walls. Next question comes here. Light and dark bands can be seen in option A cardiac muscle, option B smooth muscle, option C straightened muscles, option D unstraightened muscle. And the correct answer is straightened muscles. Next question comes here. Branched muscles fibers interconnected by oblique bridges are option A unstraightened muscle fiber, option B straightened muscles, option C cardiac muscle fiber, option D skeletal muscle fiber. And the correct answer is cardiac muscle fibers. गाइस यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है. नीचे जो पीडीएफ के लिंक्स है उनसे तुम और अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना. एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग द चैनल बिकॉज जितने भी चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके एमसीक्यूज कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे. ठीक. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय.